Welcome back to Deltarune. Let's get to it. We've sacked Bandle1243. He's been sacked. Well, actually, he sacked himself, but he's been sacked. He's fired just before Spamton as well. I'm here.
Yeah, we couldn't deal with this. And
Yeah, he's smelled too much. I'm your host, Lord O Slimes, and this is Spuddly.
Hello.
Let's do this. Let's fight the guy himself. I know exactly what I'm doing. This one, and then I go this way. Door's unlocked. Go inside.
What? You want to go in by yourself? Whatever. Do what you want.
Hey, it's me, Spamton, Spamton.
Whoa, that was wow. Alright, I know what I'm doing here. Oh, I could have got it then. Okay, I got to perfectly time this. Yeah. I'm gonna buy this too. I'm gonna buy these two, even though I know what they are. I know what you are. Okay, that works. Yeah, I know.
That seems like a very over
Fine.
icon.
Yeah, it is. It must be. Sorry.
Yeah, it's
Talking.
Chris, you little sponge. I knew you'd come here on a Saturday night. After all, you want to be a big shot. But how can you be? Listen, in the deep abyss of the Queen's mansion, a great deal is waiting for a limited time only, a heaven-piercing workout-ready body. Designed by the classics you've come to expect, 1997. Chris, that little nipper is our one-way ticket to make you big, make me big. Before you know it, we will be taking a ride around town in our special, I don't even know what that is, Kangaroo. I don't know. Vacationing in burning acid while you soak in the hyperlink blocks. Chris, don't breathe yet. The way it is locked by high-quality encryption, you will never get inside. Wait, Chris, look. Hear those balloons? You are 1000th customer. As a commemorative ring, I will let you buy keygen from me at the low, low price of... What do you think? It's such a steal. No, I'm not. Take this deal and you will die. It's that good. Buy the keygen from me, unlock the basement, and get the empty disc. I'm not doing
that again. It's too much. I failed that.
Mansion, basement, find it.
What kind of creepy stuff were you buying anyway? No, like I even want to know. Yikes.
She said she hoped if it was candy, you'd share it with her.
Shut up! Chris?
I need to get back into the groove of voicing.
You did, that wasn't... That wasn't, you know...
Yeah, that wasn't right.
funny.
It wasn't right. I'll do better. Alright, so where am I
Next
going?
time you got this!
I got this! Right then. Oh, we haven't actually explored the mansion yet, have we? Right, let's do this. Right, let's just save real quick, just in case I die. Ignore those two. Ignore the difference between these two. Let's just save over that. There we go, so nobody's looking ever again. Oh yeah, right.
Oh, it's me now, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was waiting for Banner 1243.
Yeah.
I see you have escaped from your room unit. Who can blame you for wanting to see my glorious mansion? You won't want to take your eyes off this beautiful art. We're not here to look at your stupid pictures. Oh, it was not a recommendation. I was just warning you, Lamau.
I didn't realise that one would do it too. Oh, look at that. I definitely got hit then, but sure, whatever. Oh, I'm so bad at this game. Revivement, that'll come in useful. Oh, I could have gone through both of them.
More like
Oh.
revivement.
Okay, let's move.
Now, what I know you're all loving my mansion, but we have a few rules around here you have to follow. 1. Wipe your shoes. 2. Have fun. 3. Respect the pottery. 4. Have fun. 5. This entry duplication error.
You're probably fine. You're probably fine on the viewer's end.
Oh, that does look. Hang on. Hang on.
Quite louder now. Oh, we're just more
Oh,
distorted.
you are loud. You are louder.
Do you want? I can turn myself up more if you want.
That's fine. That's perfect. Oh no!
Oh.
I just got jumped. Right. I may as well just do 2 warms. I'll redo all that. Okay, let's dodge that.
I
What's
ain't
that?
reading all of that.
Dodge
Ooh.
that.
Oh.
Okay, first hit of the day. That's not the first hit of the day, but kind of the first hit of the day. Yeah, they're all fine now. They're all happy. Happy, coordinated with myself. Good. I'm dodging all these. I don't even need left-hand gaming.
Why you're actually such a tryhard, such a sweat.
I know. Okay, let's go. Cats. Yeah, I know what you're supposed to do with these. I just don't really. I'm just not really too invested.
What are you supposed to do with those?
You're supposed to look at them and then you'll answer these questions. Yeah, none of us are voicing Taskmaster.
The questions.
They don't care.
Will they even make a difference?
I don't know. I don't even know. I've never done it.
Well,
Soft
can't
voice.
recruit Taskmaster if you don't fight.
There, no. There, Lou. It's okay, little key.
Isn't that just how we normally talk?
Oh no, because I'm speaking so softly, as we know. Ooh. I don't even need this. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay, no, I'm not.
I'll roll say the pub softy.
Yeah. Susie barks madly. Go on then, bark.
I'm alright.
Ah, come on.
If you insist.
Ow! I didn't realise it would do that.
Hit pressure from
Ow.
Lord of Slimes there was crazy.
Ah. Oh, hey. See, look, Taskmaster voices herself. So you don't need
Yeah.
anyone to voice her.
I think I don't remember the quizzing is because last time I thought I did Snowgrave and she doesn't really talk to you there.
Oh no. Oh, drat. Okay, first try. Okay, there we go. Mouse!
Wow.
Right, I know what I'm doing. Wait, who voiced this guy? Oh. Who voiced this guy?
It was me!
It's you! Alright,
I'm the hacker. I got the feeling there's a secret back door in this room, but where could it be?
I wonder. Could be tough.
I
Chainmail!
wonder. I don't expect any hints from me, though.
Defense with decreased attack. I don't care about attack. I don't know that. Yeah. I wonder where it could be.
Yeah. It could be anywhere, really.
I knew it. I knew it.
How did you know?
I just knew. I just knew. Let's make sure that's I just knew. Chris! No, Chris! You want us to stay here?
Ellipsis. Sure, whatever. I mean, Ross, they'll have fun without you.
Yeah, you
Wink,
won't.
wink.
Hold up. Okay then. Let's do this. I know what I'm doing.
The thing is, in my first run, into like my casual run, I did this all, but then I was too stupid to realise that I needed to put the CD into the body,
Oh.
and so I was just like, oh, it was just like a bunch of rooms and that for nothing.
Oh.
Naive little me.
Naive, Louis. Whoa, what's that face? Was that Mike? Whoa. Whoa, was that Mike? Oh, we're gonna be here for the next 5 hours. This is harder than, this is actually harder than the actual Spamton fight. I can confirm. I can confirm.
I can absolutely confirm.
So like a force field powering down. Force field indeed. Alright, I think I need left hand gaming for this.
You might.
Oh, ow. Oh. I think that's the best I've ever done on that.
Yeah, to be fair.
What do you mean you've never seen me do it? When I did this on the Switch, I absolutely
Well,
struck.
it's just
I was absolutely bullied on that. Took me longer
Yeah.
than the actual
I've
Spamton
only
fight.
done it on this.
Alright then. I'm speedrunning this. Can we Lordo's speedrun? Go in here. Nothing in here. Oh, I thought it was in there. I wonder where there are train tracks for. Something's shining in the old machine. It's mine. Come on, Susie. Give me my glass. Oh god. Come on, Susie. Give me my glasses back.
Look at me. I'm a big dweeb that loves homework.
Come on. It's not nice. It's really mean, and I'm not happy.
Fine.
Thank you. Oh, Chris, everything okay?
Whatever. Let's go.
Let's go back here. Let's just go back. If I remember correctly, there's a switch right there, and it'll take us right back here. And I can save.
Wow.
And then I can
That's
go this
really
way.
convenient.
It is quite convenient, actually. You go up here.
Thank you, Toby Fox, for making our lives more convenient.
Yeah, let's thank him now and not next chapter.
Toby Fox, more like
That'd
like-
be cool.
Phoebe Talks.
Give disc.
Chris, you did it! You funky little worm! You brought me the disc! Mochi mama! Oh, that's just Hochi mama. I can feel that smooth taste already. Now, Chris, don't be greedy. Hand over the disc. Then, we will transfer. My hyperlink blocked. Then, Chris, after this is very important. Go back and put the disc back where you got it. Do that, and you have my special guarantee I will pass my savings on to you. Every big, every shot, every hyperlink blocked. All yours, Chris. So what you say, Big Shot? Warning, if you consent to the terms and agreements, our store is permanently closing down. That's it. Finally, I knew you would request accepted. Chris, here I go, begin the transfer. He's gone.
He's gone. He's dead. This poor old Spamton. Spamton died here. Oh, so insert loaded disc. Put disc into the broken down mechanism. Nothing happened.
Yeah,
You
2018.
tap the mechanism. Nothing happened. Shut the mechanism. You hit it. You kicked it. Nothing happened. Damn, that's a bit of a shame. Oh well, I guess good old Spamton was lying. Makes me feel less bad about his death.
He did seem a bit sketchy, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. And now look at him. Look at him. Look at this nerd. This isn't even Spamton. This is actually Bill. Bill from down the road. It's Spamton.
Holy Congadero, do I feel good. Here I am, Chris. Big, big, bigger and better than ever. This power, freedom. I won't have to be just a puppet anymore. Or so I thought. What are these strings? Why am I not big enough? It's still dark, so dark. Chris! Chris! That's right, you! I need you! To be big with me. Very, very big. So big, we'll stand up tall and see past the dark. Stand up with our heads in the clouds and look into heaven. I just need that little soul you have.
Yeah, take that, punk. Wait! The hell was that weirdo?
Chris, we were worried about you, so...
Chris, you have friends? Why don't you tell them about my 3-for-1 special? Today, the whole family can take a little ride around town. Attention customers, clean up on aisle 3. Someone left their souls lying around.
I'm yellow.
Chris, was that a big shot just now? Wow, I'm so proud of you, I could killed you. Heaven, are you watching? It's time to make a very special deal.
It's time to be a big shot. Spuddly, are you ready to be a big shot?
I'm ready!
I'm not gonna keep swapping this. I'm just gonna leave it on Spamton. So you'll be talking to Spamton this entire time, not Lord O Slimes. Lord O Slimes
I don't want to
dies.
talk to that guy.
Lord O Slimes is locked in now. You're right. Lord O Slimes is locking in right now.
Oh, it's me, Spamton.
No,
Chris, isn't this body just heavenly? 3 times the fire power, 2 times the water power, and best of all, flying heads. Alright, how am I going to do this? See, maybe I can do this. We'll turn those schmoes and Daves into Rosen Graves. Those cathode screens into cathode screams. Chris, don't you want to be part of my beautiful heart? Or did you need a little special tour? All you gotta do is big. Then we'll be the ones making the calls, Chris. What? What? Are you serious? It's for you. It's calling, Chris. My heart. My hands. Oh, this one hurts. I don't like this attack at all. I mean, Chris, I love this attack. Chris, can you really look in my eyes and say no? Look in my eyes, look in my nose, look in my mouth. Oh, let's go. I can't stand it. I think I'm going to have a heart attack. Chris, I'll even give you free value. Die now, and I'll throw in 50 bullets for free! Oh dear. I'm crazy? I'm not crazy. I'm just normal. Chris, if you give me that soul, I'll give you everything I have. I'll give you 3 easy payments of $9.99. Oh dear. I'm struggling a bit. Okay, I need to heal. So what I'll do is I will... can I... No, okay. So what I'm gonna do... Oh, I mean, what you're gonna do, Chris, is I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna use... that. And I'm gonna make sure that. Chris, take the deal. Take it. You want a heart on a chain your whole life? Oh no, it's this one. I don't like this one. This is my weakest stat. This is my worst attack. Oh dear. I'm dead. I'm not dead. I think I need this. Sandwich. Okay, that's helpful. Or did you want to be? Did you want to be? Oh. It's for him. It's for me. It's for me. Chris, I won't force you. I can't force you. But just look, Chris, look at the power of Neo and ask yourself, well, don't you? Don't you want to be a big shot? Chris, there's no way you're doing this first try, Chris. Chris, you're crazy. Don't you want to be a big shot? Oh no, it's this one. We can't tank this. No!
No.
That was his last attack. That was the last attack. Oh. That was his I was about to first try Spamton.
Your Slimes, are you throwing for content?
I'm not throwing for content. I'm cutting most of this out.
I guess it's not a fun game.
Okay, this is a bad one. I don't think I actually voiced this one last time. Okay, it's this one. I'm not giving this one. This is the one I died to, actually. This is the one I'm gonna die to again. Desperate. Ah, it's that one. That one's my problem. Let me do this as final attack. Okay, I just got to dodge. So close. Okay, it's this one. This is the one I died on. This is what I'm gonna die on, again.
No, you won't. No, you won't. Don't say it. Need the winning manifestation.
Yes.
Wait, is this it?
You done me.
Wait! The presses? My wires, they're almost gone? Chris, you're gifting me my freedom. Chris, after everything I did to you, after all the unforgettable deals, free chroma I gave you, you're finally repaying my generosity. Chris, I understand now, the greatest deal of all. Friendship! Chris, my days as a long-nosed doll are over. Cut that wire and make me a real boy! Are you watching Heaven? It's time for Spamton's comeback special. And this time I live for myself. No, myself and my friends. Here I go. Watch me fly, mama.
R.I.P.
It seems after all, I couldn't be anything more than a simple puppet. But you three, you're strong. With a power like that, maybe you three can break your own strings. Let me become your strength.
Ellipsis. Hey, so are we seriously not gonna talk about any of that? That's goddamn weird. Puppets, strings, hands. What the hell does any of that mean? The way you just broke.
I don't think it meant anything, Susie. It seems like it was just a corrupted program. He turned into our ally, so let's just accept it.
Ellipsis. Chris, you've got goosebumps. You okay?
Always okay. Chris is
Ellipsis. You say it all strained like that. I'm not gonna think you're okay. Hey Rossley, do you think Chris is okay?
Well, they seemed a bit shocked, but Chris doesn't want us to worry, so let's not push them for now. Chris, I'll make some cake for you later, okay? I could even make it chocolate flavoured. Butterscotch, cinnamon, whatever you want.
Well, their stomach's rumbling, but the but the goosebumps aren't gone.
Chris, if you're cold, you could share my scarf. Huh? Or, sure, Susie could.
What? No! And if I'm giving you my jacket? You make me cold. I'm burning your knuckleheads for warm.
Susie!
Too late. Already imagining you guys as idiot-scented candles. I got Chris smiling. Let's go.
Let's go! We did it! We beat Spamton, and actually, I did really well. For my first time fighting him on computer, I'm actually pretty happy about that, since I almost beat him
No, I
first try.
can't believe you beat him first try.
Come on, guys. We're not gonna be lying. We do not lie on this channel. I beat him third try.
First try.
First try, guys! First try! We beat Spamton, first try!
First try. No damage.
Also, almost no heals.
Oh
Like,
yeah, that's...
This was actually awful. I had almost no heals. B-shot bow tie.
B-shot. What do you think the B in B-shot stands for?
Spuddly. I think it stands for big shot.
I thought you were going to say Spuddly, and it was like, Spuddly doesn't begin with a B. What does the B in B-shot stand for? Spuddly.
Yeah, it stands for Spuddly. Alright, so, next episode, we'll actually be exploring the mansion, you know, this entire part of the game. So, thanks for watching. I have been your host, Lord O Slimes, and of course, never forget, Spuddly.
Bye!
Bye! See you next episode.
Bye!
Bye!